Hey you guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and I do fitness, fashion, and beauty for women over 50. Today I'm very excited. I am partnering with Sephora to bring you two products that I've been using on my dry, damaged, menopausal, over bleached, over processed hair. So let's get right into this video. Okay, as you guys know, I have very fine, thin hair. And I also have really dry hair because I bleach my hair, and I also have very thin hair because I'm in menopause and my hair is very thin. It always was, but now it's even thinner. So when I think about a conditioner or a hair mask, I get a little bit worried because I don't want anything to drag my really fine, thin baby hair down any more than it is. So the first product that I want to bring to you guys is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Okay, the thing that is so cool about this mask is you can leave it on while you're in the shower, you know, like shaving your legs or washing your face or whatever you're doing in there, chilling out. And after 10 minutes, you can rinse out the conditioner, and it's so lightweight, so it's not gonna drag down thin, fine hair, which for me is hugely important. Now the thing that's even cooler about this Briogeo mask is that if you want to get extra deep treatment, you can get out of the shower, put this on your hair, wrap your hair up in like a plastic shower cap, and then get under the blow dryer for like 20 minutes and then wash it out. Now that is some serious deep conditioning, and I love that you get that option if you really need it because your hair is super dry and brittle. And it probably is because it's winter time and it's freezing, right? Everything's getting dry. For me, everything's getting dry. So yeah, I totally love this. And another thing I love about this mask is that after I get out of the shower and I squeeze out my hair after I have conditioned it with this mask, I put a little bit extra on my hand and I just kind of rub it through the ends, and then I get out and I blow dry my hair. And I find that this is such a lightweight mask. It's not gonna weigh down your hair, that it's perfectly fine. It just kind of gets rid of those flyaways. So I definitely think that you guys would really love this, specifically if you're looking for a mask that you can just use in the shower, or something that you want a little bit more of a deep treatment, 20 minutes under the blow dryer, right? So yeah. The next product that I have for you guys, I am so very excited. This is the Kerastase Nutritive 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. So I have been bleaching my hair for 25 years, and every salon that I've ever gone to has used Kerastase products, and I always ask for them, and I have always loved them because I know I'm going to get a great result. So this serum is so exciting for me to have and to use. Now what's special about it, it is an 8-hour overnight treatment. So you put the product in your hair at night, and I like to focus just on the ends because I have fine hair. So I just focus putting the serum right in the end of all my hair, and then I just go to sleep. That's it. All you need to do is go to sleep, and when you wake up in the morning, your hair is going to be so smooth and silky and manageable, and then you can go ahead and do whatever hairstyle you want. So the other thing that I really love about this particular product is you don't have to put it on clean hair. You can even put it on hair that you haven't washed in a couple of days. Specifically for me, when I like comb out my hair, after I've done like a hairstyle, it gets so dry at the ends. Like it is like straw at the end. So what I like to do is at nighttime, I'll just put a tiny little bit in my hand. You do not need a lot. Rub it together and then pull it through the bottoms of my hair, through the ends, and then go to sleep. And then when I wake up, my hair is gonna be beautiful, soft, and silky, and I can go ahead and style it however I want. So I am just very excited to have these two products and to be bringing them to you. I just wanna let you guys know, I know how hard it is when you have thin hair and you're worried about a product that is going to drag down your hair. Neither of these products are gonna weigh down your hair. They're not gonna drag down your hair, and they're gonna bring that smoothness and that silkiness back into your dry, damaged hair. So I just kind of wanted to show you my hair today. Usually my hair is right here. It's so damaged. It looks like straw, and Yeah, so I really didn't like that look. So with these products today, I actually am using the Briogeo. So what I did was I got right into the shower. The first thing I do is shampoo my hair, and I put the Briogeo Don't Despair mask right on my hair, and then I start doing everything else, and I leave that on my hair. And when I got out of the shower, I kind of squeezed out all the rest of the moisture in my hair and just dabbed a little bit on the ends of my hair, and then I went ahead and did my hair, and I blew it out per usual. Now tonight, because my hair has been so dry, I'm probably gonna go ahead and use the Kerastase Nutritive 8-hour Magic Night Serum and wake up in the morning with lovely, easy to manage hair. So yeah, you guys, I hope you love this video. I just want to let you know that whatever your hair situation is, whatever you are going through right now, if it's thin hair, menopausal hair, dry hair, thick hair, curly hair, you know, we all have our own issues. You can go to Sephora and a beauty advisor can actually sit with you and talk to you about all the products that they have available to you. So whatever your hair care need is, someone at Sephora is going to be able to help you. And you can even try samples. You don't have to purchase the whole product in full. So I just think it's such a cool idea. We don't have to stress about having dry hair anymore. You know, those days are over. I want to end this video by saying thank you so much to Sephora for partnering with me in this video, and to Briogeo, thank you so much, and to Kerastase, thank you. Love you guys so much, and please let me know how you guys feel about your hair. Have you tried a product like this? What would you like to see more of? I really hope you guys love this video, and you know what? I have been just, you know, my hair is like, looks good. My hair has been looking really good lately, so I'm happy, and I think hair products really make all the difference. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Girl, looking good. Huh. Yeah, on hair at 50, you can do it.